Welcome to the Opal and Mommy baking show. I'm Mommy. Say I'm Opal.
Opal.
And we're gonna make banana bread again today. What are we doing first, Opal? Say mash.
Yes.
Mash, mash, mash.
Yes.
Are you gonna mash it? Good job. We'll keep you guys updated. Okay, Opal. Why'd the banana go to the doctor? Say, I don't know.
Oh no.
Because it wasn't peeling well. Say, ha-ha, Mama.
Ah, Mama.
Yeah, you didn't think it was funny, did you? We just put the baking soda in, and now we're stirring, right? Stir, stir, stir. Hey, Opal. What do you call it when a boy banana and a girl banana stop liking each other? A banana split. Haha, Mama. No. Alright, we're gonna pour the butter in. You wanna help? Can you pour it in? Say butter. Butter. Good job. Stir, stir, stir. Hey, Opal. What's a sheep's favorite fruit? A banana. No, not funny. I guess I'm not funny. What is this?
Sugar.
Sugar. One more scoop.
Mama. Soup.
One more scoop. You pour it in? Good job. Sugar. Alright, Opal, Mom's gonna beat the eggs, but first, why did the banana have to go to the hair salon? Because he had split ends. She keeps laughing at me. It was a good one that time, wasn't it? It was a good joke. I know. What do we just pour in? Say vanilla.
Lava.
Vanilla. Now what are we gonna do? Stir, stir, stir. It's not actually Echo, it's Google. I just Googled it. If you must know my secrets. Good stirring. Should focus this more on the Opal. Stir, stir, stir! Opal got thirsty. You know how difficult it is to stir, stir, stir. We're on the flour step now. Flour.
Flour.
Hey, Opal. What do you do if you see a blue banana? You try to cheer it up. There you go. What do you do now? Stir, stir, stir. That's the last ingredient called for on this recipe. But Opal and I are going to add a secret ingredient to the recipe. I wonder if anybody knows what that could be. It's starting to look like banana bread. Well, you know, before it's cooked. What are those? Say chocolate chip.
Yep, got it.
You want to pour them in? Go ahead. Ooh, yes! That's what I'm talking about. Chocolate chips. Hey, Opal. What kind of key opens a banana? A monkey? Nothing? You just want the chocolate chips. I'm stirring. Stir, stir, stir. How come you're not stirring? I'm carrying the team over here. This is supposed to be the Opal and Mommy baking show. We interrupt this message to show you the little EOT she's not helping much, but she's here for moral support. Opal left me, so now it's just me. But what do you call a banana who gets all the girls? A banana smoothie. Well, we're just pouring. Oh, she's back. She's back to help. Check it out. Here's Opal. Oh, now she's leaving again. But anyway, we're about done. We're about to put this in the oven. We hope you found this show appealing. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye. Opal, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Where are you? There you are. Bye-bye.